Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Then go to status bar, which is at the very top. And as you can see right here, we've got the option I'm looking for. So just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, your device will immediately show the percentage inside the battery icon. And this is the only way to show the battery percentage. I mean, we cannot, for example, show it next to the battery icon, only inside. And if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.